Pythonic and efficient way to do an Elementwise in using Numpy. I'm looking for a way to efficiently get an array of booleans. We're given two arrays with equal size A and B. Each element is true if the corresponding element of A appears in the corresponding element of B. For example, the following program should print. Keep in mind this function should be the equivalent of only Numpy optimized for cases when A and B are big, and each element of B is reasonably small.
Is there an upper limit to the length of the small lists in B? If so, maybe you could make B a matrix of say 1000 by 5, and use nan to fill the gaps for the subarrays that are too short. You can then use numpy.any to get the answer you want, something like this. No idea if this is faster for your data.
Summary. The approach from Soldo Castro runs most quickly among those posted so far. The generator expression in the original post is second fastest. Code to generate test data. The options. Time and underscore executions. The results.
To take advantage of Numpy's broadcasting rules, you should make array b squared first, which can be achieved using itertools.isip_longest. Resulting in Then, by doing np.isclose c a, you get a 2D array of booleans showing the difference between each c column, I1 ai, according to the broadcasting rules, giving, which can be used to obtain your answer.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.